Well, I didn't want to struggle with Max, but I got Chance and Sadie's nails grinded down. Brought home the new dog food today, and Max ate 2 handfuls and didn't throw it up. So that kind of proves that the other dog food that was down in the trailer had been down there for about a month. That was old. Sadie'd been drinking a lot of water. I didn't leave her out enough times, and she peed in the floor. So I had to shampoo the carpet in certain places, then fold it back and shampoo the carpet underneath that carpet. If she don't get better by Monday, I'm going to take her to the vet. They'll probably give her some antibiotics. They might give her a dog version of Pepto-Bismol. Well, we're going to leave it here. It's been a long day.